long before we were supposed to be these extremists, somebody came at me and my family. Okay, they came at the other members of the National Party too, and some people in this room, with claw hammers. And there were two responses to that, the claw hammer incident. There were two responses to that. One was what the coup people ultimately went with, which was they lost their nerve. Or there was another one, which is to say, they're not pulling a claw hammer out of the back of my skull for a compromise. I'm not going to watch my life's blood flow across the carpet of a hotel in Fermanagh or anywhere else for a half measure. The enemy was willing to kill us as a collective. Me, members of the National Party, anybody who was in their way, for the position that we took then and the position they're in now. And they thought, well, we'd better not be extreme because of the consequences. What consequences? I ask you, what consequences get worse than having your head smashed open with a hammer? I don't know of such a circumstance. And so since the possibility of what might happen can't get any worse, then I reckon we need to up the dream on the other side as to what can be achieved if we carry on.